I make no secret about it. I'm a chips and salsa lover, so I can totally relate to the fact that among all of the craveable foods out there, nachos rank pretty high on the list, right? Today it's nachos for every meal. I'm talking breakfast, lunch, dinner, and of course we can't leave out dessert, right? Dessert. Chef Nettie Frank is really bringing it today, and we trust you because you do bring dessert to the table. That's a chef you can trust.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes. What is it about nachos that you think we love, that we obsess over?
Comfort, cheese, goodness, topping after topping after topping. I mean, let's get real.
You had me at cheese.
Right?
You had me at cheese. But you've taken nachos a notch above, no pun intended.
Yeah.
You've really gone gourmet here.
Yes. I mean, any chance I can make my own fresh salsas, do it. That's kind of my tip. We've got fresh pico, we've got a fresh pineapple salsa, we've got fresh strawberry for the dessert. But I also fry my own chips. If you have the time. If you don't, there's no judging. I get it. We all have busy lives. But if you can fry your own chips, you know, the raw tortillas.
Yes.
Just cut them up and then fry them.
But it's like when you go into a Mexican restaurant, the good Mexican restaurants have the good chips, right?
They do,
you can
just
taste the difference in that, in that setting.
Yeah, you can taste the oil, the goodness,
is that
the comfort in it.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. So that's what we have here. So for breakfast, we did, there's potatoes with sauteed onions and bell peppers and cheese. And I actually took black beans and pureed it up, put it in a squeeze bottle.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So it's easier. And I did individual portion size when I went to melt the cheese. Now I just put it on a cookie sheet and high broil. And then you can scoop on the nice avocados, right?
So we're really eating nachos for breakfast.
Yeah, we are. Look at this. This is like huevos rancheros, but like we can have it all day long, right?
Imagine how excited your family will be. I was going to say kids. In my case, my husband would be like,
so
high as a kite if he knew we were having nachos for breakfast.
Yeah. Then we were going to put a fried egg on it.
What?
Okay, look at that.
What?
Does that look so amazing?
It looks amazing.
Fried egg.
It tastes amazing too. These chips are to die for.
Aren't they good?
Yeah, they really are.
They're really good. And you can put on fresh green onions, fresh chopped cilantro, kind of dress it up with the freshness, right?
Oh,
Little
gosh.
pico.
Oh, gosh.
Which is tomatoes, green onions, some Anaheim peppers, and
nachos
cilantro.
For breakfast, people. She did it.
Look at that.
Listen, I'm not gonna lie. When you said make your own chips, I was like, cute idea, no way. I
What do you
would
think?
do it if they tasted like this.
Oh, plus you have to take your sour cream. You add a little bit of milk, put it in a squeeze bottle, shake, shake, shake.
Milk to thin it out.
A little bit of milk, yeah. And then you can do your creme.
Stop.
Look how pretty. Look how pretty.
Oh my goodness.
And now you just made everything fancy, gourmet. I mean, we're gonna just put it on all of it. I mean, have fun with it.
Mornings at my house a little crazy, especially this week as we try to settle back in. But you could do breakfast nachos for dinner. Is that getting too crazy?
Nope, you can.
Okay.
You can. And then over here we've got our dinner one, which is our chicken verde, with the pineapple salsa with the black beans that I left whole.
Okay.
With the cheddar cheese, a Colby Jack cheddar cheese, and then the queso cheese for, you know, the Spanish queso cheese. But dessert, this is the best one, right? Okay, so I fried the chips, and then I tossed them in cinnamon sugar as soon as they came out. So they're nice and hot, they soaked up all that goodness. And we have to put some sort of cheese. So I made a vanilla bean cream cheese sauce.
Vanilla bean cream cheese
sauce that we're gonna sprinkle
I am
on
gaining
top.
weight just looking at all of this food. It's amazing.
It's comfort. And then you can put chocolate sauce on it.
Pounds equal
salted
comfort.
caramel sauce. I mean,
Oh my gosh.
Whatever you want to dress
Oh my
up.
gosh, those chips are so airy and good.
I know, right? And then fresh berries, top it off. Maybe some fresh strawberry salsa with fresh mint from the garden.
Is that what you put in that salsa, strawberry and mint?
That's it. That's all you need on it.
Oh gosh.
And I don't know if you want to try it or not, but
well, twist my arm. Have you noticed I haven't stopped eating this entire...
Look how good. So you can be creative. You can make it gourmet.
Yeah.
When company comes over, like I made these individual for breakfast. So your own little individual breakfast nachos with one egg on it. Or you can just have a big, huge pile of nachos for the entire party
and
to
let people
enjoy.
serve.
And yeah.
I have to quickly ask you, what went into this pineapple salsa?
So it's yellow onion, cilantro, and fresh pineapple.
You might have said that, and I might have been delirious with my eating happiness.
You need to try it. Did you try it yet? Here, you need to try it.
I need to try it. I'm supposed to be talking too, but I'm just
sorry.
eating.
It's so good. I love this.
Oh, it's so good.
And I made a taco pizza the other night.
Oh my gosh.
A pizza, but then we put tacos on it. It was like incredible.
Jeff's
Amazing.
jealous and he's laughing at me. He's trying to count how many
he'll have
times I
some
said,
later.
oh my gosh, stop. Oh my gosh, stop. This is amazing. And what a fun dinner idea. What a fun way to mix
Yes.
up food at your house,
Absolutely.
at your kitchen table.
Yeah.
We're celebrating this, girl, because you have a full page. Excuse me.
8-page
A full
spread.
page time 8 in an online magazine. This is a big deal.
Cake Central magazine, we have an 8-page spread of the donut tower. Instead of a typical wedding cake, I mean,
Look at you.
I make wedding cakes, and since being on Food Network's Cake Wars, but now our donut wedding cake towers are the new thing, and it's incredible. So
Oh, they're amazing.
call us at Draper location Beyond Glaze, and we will make you a beautiful donut tower.
You
for your
look
wedding
beautiful.
cake.
It's hard
Oh,
to
you're
even
sweet.
concentrate on the donut cake because you look so gorgeous in that spread. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
We'll link you over to that magazine so you can get the full scoop and also post Chef Nettie's contact information. That way you can find and follow her. Plus, look for the recipes for nachos for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Don't forget dessert. Those recipes, those combinations are posted for you on our website, studio5.ksl.com. Just click on the recipe tab at the top of the screen.